hundreds and thousands of self-help videos out there, mine included. Everybody wants you to be better, do better, be the best version of yourself. But what if we flip the script and look what it takes to actually ruin your life? And maybe, just maybe, you've already been doing some things to ruin your life without even realizing it. But don't worry, there is hope. I'll show you what to do. I hope you can read the sarcasm through this video. How to ruin your life. A guide. Number 1. Avoid discomfort at any cost. Whatever makes you go out of your comfort zone, whatever makes you feel uncomfortable, just don't do it. Only do what you are good at and what you're used to. That way you can stay exactly where you are right now and you don't ever have to change. There is no discomfort. Why would you even try doing something else, something new that you are not used to? Because trying something new means that you need to step outside of your comfort zone, which is discomfort, which we don't want. And you're not going to be great at it from the beginning. You're going to suck, most likely. So, no, just stay where you are and avoid discomfort at any cost. Number 2, only seek approval from other people. External validation feels so great. So please don't ever give yourself the approval, because that's not good enough. We only want it from other people and you should only seek it from others. Number 3, compare yourself a lot to any and everybody you see, but especially, and please listen closely, to strangers on the internet that you don't know. That will make you instantly feel behind in life, unworthy, and really defeated. It really is a terrible feeling. So if you're doing that all the time, there's a good chance that you're succeeding at ruining your life already. Number 4, make yourself fit into a box. Make sure you never stand out. Make sure you fit in the mold of society. Don't speak up for yourself. Don't ever speak up for yourself. Please don't show your true self. Number 5, doubt everything you do. Doubt every single decision, every single thing that you're trying to do. Doubt it. Don't believe in yourself. Just don't do it. Number 6, very important, procrastinate on your goals. Procrastination feels great because we like to find excuses on why we can't take action. And taking action is actually what we need to avoid at any cost. Because what happens if we take action? Then all of a sudden we are going forward in a direction that will bring us to all the points we talked about it, and that will leave us in discomfort. It will require us to be ourselves and shine our light, and we don't want that. The best way to procrastinate is keep waiting for the perfect moment, because eventually it has to show up, right? Really wait until you feel truly and fully ready for it. Number 7, overthink everything. Every decision you have to make, everything that you want to do, just make sure you really take your time and overthink every single thing. Overthinking will bring you into analysis paralysis, and that's just not a great place to stay, but we also don't want to change, so make sure to really overthink every single decision. Number 8, don't try anything new. You have a curiosity towards something, you want to try something, just don't bother. You're not going to be great at it from the beginning. Which brings the question why you started something in the beginning anyway, because you kind of knew that you're going to suck. Yeah, eventually, if you keep going and you keep doing the things, you eventually get better, but that takes too much time, and we really don't have that much time anyway, so don't do it. Just stick with the things you know, and I think you found the coolest things out there anyway already. Please hold on to your past. Hold on to your past mistakes. Hold on to your failures and keep thinking about them. Don't let it go. Don't let yourself forgive for your past mistakes, your regrets, your failures. We need them in order to keep ruining our lives. And now, let's switch it back. Here is how to not ruin your life. Do the opposite and watch this video next. Go and be your favorite self.